As I'm recording this video, I don't know what my Christmas will have been like, and of course I don't know about yours, but I do have something important to tell you, and it's coming up. I do hope that in the midst of all the challenges we face this year, you still managed to feel a little bit of warmth this Christmas and to share a few laughs, whether it's in person or in a video call. I know that this has been a tough year for so many of us, and I wanted to come here today with a card and my wish for you, hoping to bring you a smile and to show you how grateful I am for each and every one of you. The card itself is very simple and it's quite similar to one that I shared a few days ago on my community tab. That card meant a lot to me. Creating it gave me so much peace and comfort, and I wanted these same feelings to inspire today's card, because in the end it's what I want you to feel as well. I chose a stenciled plaid pattern for my background, and the muted colors and the soft look of distressed oxides evoke feelings of warmth and comfort to me. They remind me of scarves that my parents used to buy me when I was younger, and I probably didn't even think much of them at the time, but remembering right now feels like thinking about a warm hug on a cold, windy day. And this is why I decided to add this on my card for you today. The glittery die-cut stars, they represent the light that we all need so much and will also reinforce the message that I want to share with you. Even among all the challenges we face, even in the darkest of days, we do have a little spark within us. Well, that spark, that little spark is so precious. Do everything you can to keep it alight. Use the magic of creativity, enjoy your crafty time as much as you can, and use that energy for those days where things just feel too much. I wish you all a happy new year. I will definitely be around sharing more videos and inspiration, hoping to bring you a smile here and there, and in the meantime, keep crafting, keep on shining.